So why do Canadians say A? The history behind Canada's most famous word. So I've been to many countries around the world, and every nation has something unique about the way the people speak. In Canada, it's one tiny word that everyone recognizes, A. But did you know this little word is actually older than Canada itself? Let's talk about history. The word A didn't actually originate in Canada. Historians and linguists believe it came from speech used in Britain and Ireland centuries ago. When British and Irish settlers immigrated to what is now Canada during the 1700s and 1800s, they brought many expressions with them, including A. Over time, Canadians kept using it while it gradually became less common in many other English-speaking countries. By the 20th century, A has become so closely associated with Canada that it was considered one of the country's linguistic trademarks. Interestingly, linguists don't think A is just a filler word. They describe it as a tag question or conversation marker. Instead of simply ending a sentence, it invites the other person into the conversation. For example, it's called today A. You're not just making a statement, you're inviting someone to agree or share their opinion. That reflects something many people admire about Canadian culture: being polite, friendly, and making conversation feel more inclusive. Of course, not every Canadian says A. Some people rarely use it, while others say it naturally without even realizing it. You'll hear it more often in some regions than others. Here's something interesting. In 1979, the famous comedy show SCTV introduced the characters Bob and Doe Mackenzie, whose catchphrase, "Take off A," became popular across North America. Then in 1980, the song "Take Off" became a hit and helped spread the stereotype that Canadians say A all the time. In reality, Canadians do say it, but nowhere near as often as television makes it seem. So the next time you hear someone say, "Beautiful day, eh?" remember, you're hearing a small piece of history, an expression that traveled from Britain and Ireland, evolved over centuries, and became one of the most recognizable symbols of Canadian English. It's amazing how one tiny word can tell such a big story. So I'm curious, do you say A, or does your country have a word that's unique?